Hey, I'm Coach Kozak from HASfit, and right now I'm going to demonstrate to you a one-leg stiff leg deadlift. You use dumbbells in this movement, and it is one of my favorite movements for your hamstrings and your butt. So with your dumbbells, first I'm going to show you from the side. We're going to do one leg at a time, getting a little bend. I'm going to do my left leg first, a little bend in that knee. I'm going to reach over to that left side as I bring my opposite leg up, stretching my hamstring, and then I'm going to pull back with my hamstring. Stretch my hamstring, pull back. Then you're going to do your right leg. Stretch your hamstring, pull back. Stretch your hamstring, pull back. Little bend in the knee as you're doing it, keeping good balance. And this one's going to take you a couple to get used to. And also the first couple reps might be a little bit shaky as you loosen up that hamstring. But like I said, one of my favorite movements for your hamstring and your butt. That's your one leg stiff leg deadlift. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'll see you next time.